In this video, I will tell you a little more about our card game, Surprise, Surprise. The instruction sheet given with the card game will familiarize you with the rules of the game. Surprise, surprise. The idea is to challenge commonly held misconceptions and provide facts surrounding disability. Now, this is a collaborative game where everybody gains information and is a winner. You take out the two strips titled Facts and Misconceptions, and the idea is for the player to read the sentences, think, discuss, and then place it under one of the headings, either a fact or a misconception. And finally, refer to the answer booklet to check your choices. Let me assure you, this game will surprise you. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial video. The instruction sheet provided with each card game is very easy to understand, so get going. And remember, a family which plays together stays together.